In this video, let's talk about how to fix PNB app not working. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure is that your device is compatible. If you're using Android, you need to have 11 or higher, or if you're using iOS, you need to have 15 or higher in order to use the PNB application. If your system is not higher than that, you would not be able to use it. But however, if this is not the case for you, then what you can try out is try to clear off the app cache. Simply tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon, head over to clear data that you should be able to see on the bottom, and then tap on clear all data. Once that step is complete, you will get logged out of your account, so make sure you try to log it back and try to see if the issue is solved. If the issue still persists, then what you can also try out is just reinstall the application of PNB Digital onto your device and try to see if the issue is now fixed. Now, even after trying both of these steps, you're still facing issue. This is likely happening due to server-side problems from PNB itself. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of hours before the issue is automatically solved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.